Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Manastu Space tests Green Propulsion System. Recently, Manastu Space, an IIT Bombay founded startup, successfully test-fired its green propulsion system Vyom 2U aboard PSLV POEM-4. This robust performance underscores its readiness for long-duration missions, offering a safer, cost-effective and sustainable alternative to traditional toxic propellants. The system's development reflects India's growing leadership in green space technologies, setting new standards for propulsion systems worldwide. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batch for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the admissions are open. The English medium batch is starting from 9th of January 6 p.m. while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January 11:30 a.m. For any query or for more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. Key highlights: the Green Propulsion System Vyom 2U developed by Manastu Space represents a groundbreaking achievement in sustainable space technology. It is a non-toxic and efficient propulsion system designed to minimize environmental and human health risk while delivering high performance. Achieving technology readiness level 8, Vyom 2U is now ready for commercial deployment, marking a pivotal moment for eco-friendly advancements in satellite propulsion. As part of the mission Adyanta, Vyom 2U successfully demonstrated its capabilities on board PSLV POEM-4 with over 500 seconds of cumulative in-orbit firing, including a 30-second operation that tilted the platform by 24 degrees. Importance of the development. This development represents a significant technological advancement by offering a safer and cost-effective alternative to conventional toxic propellants. The system's capabilities were evident during a 30-second firing on board PSLV, where it tilted the platform by 24 degrees, showcasing its precision and reliability. The POEM initiative has enabled startups like Manastu Space to focus on innovation, fostering inclusivity and dynamism within India's space ecosystem. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the PSLV Orbital Experimental Module? A robotic module for space debris collection, a low Earth orbit test bed for space experiments, a payload delivery system for interplanetary missions, or a propulsion system for deep space exploration? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.